What's going on, you guys? It's Joshua Zitting. In this video, I am going to be talking to you guys about Robby Blanchard's Commission Hero course. And essentially, I'm doing a complete review of the actual product for you guys. I wanted you guys to have the ability to see actually what was inside of the course. Now, for those of you guys that have followed me over the past 5 or 6 years, you guys know that I do e-commerce, but I also do affiliate marketing, okay? Those are my two main sources of income. And basically what Robby Blanchard does is he has a whole system for selling products that are on Clickbank, but he does it in a very specific way that is done with different types of social media advertising. So what I've done is I put together an article for you guys. The link is in the description right below. So go ahead and come check out this article. And I want you guys to read through the full thing. Watch the actual review video for his actual course, but also come get the actual free training. So go ahead and come into this article and click here to get his free training that actually explains more in depth. And really what I want you guys to see is his student success stories, okay? Because that's really all that matters, you guys. At the end of the day, like, it's great that he's the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world, which is important because if you're going to learn from anybody about affiliate marketing, you want to go to the best of the best, and Robby is definitely the best at what he does. I've been selling on Clickbank for about 2-3 years now, and it definitely works, you guys. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars on Clickbank, and at the end of the day, like, again, Robby is the one that I really like his content. I like the way that his course is laid out. So it's going to tell you the ins and outs of basically who Robby is and then what basically is inside of his program. So I broke down everything that's in module 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through module 12. I wanted to actually share with you guys some of the student successes because his students, including myself, are making, you know, sometimes $1,000 days on Clickbank. And again, this is very different from e-commerce. For those of you guys that are my e-commerce students, affiliate marketing, if you already have the shell of like e-commerce from what you've learned from me over the years in Facebook advertising, Instagram marketing, all that stuff, it can be applied to affiliate marketing. So the difference is that you don't have inventory, right? This is completely digital product based. So I've been running affiliate sites for quite a few years where I build out these massive blogs, and I rank the content, and inside of the content there's links to affiliate programs, and I make commissions off of those sales. We do the same thing with YouTube, but there's a very simple way that Robby basically outlines this for you to be able to do it that is compliant with advertising on social media platforms like Facebook. So come and check out that free training. I list all of the pros and cons as well in the article. There are no upsells to this particular offer, but the one thing that I am doing is I put together a special bonus package for you guys. So for those of you that pick up this free training, I'm going to also include a couple bonus trainings that I've put together myself. So nobody else online has these. These are my personal trainings, and ultimately they're put here to take the Commission Hero business and like take it to another level, because I want you guys to not just have like the built out like social media advertising side of it, which you can make tons of money doing, and Robby's proving that time and time again with hundreds of students. But I also put in here like how to build a blog from A to Z that you can turn into an affiliate site in less than 3 hours. I put a blog mastery, my blog mastery course in here, as well as a YouTube SEO mastery, which is all about from research to implementation. And these bonuses are going to be included basically with this package for you guys. So if you, again, right now in a time where a lot of us are stuck at home, if you're looking to make an additional side income from your job, there's really only a couple of methods that I can think of that I personally would invest my time into because of the fact that it can be a long-term sustainable business. You guys, the reason why I do affiliate marketing is because I can create content over and over again, but that content continues to make me money time and time and time and time and time again. So you're investing in those things, and you're putting your time into something that actually becomes a income generator for you long term. And it's why I'm able to work from home full time. And you know, do I work? Absolutely, I work. I work all the time, but it's because I enjoy what I do and I like putting out new content. But at the end of the day, it's all based around affiliate marketing, you guys. A lot of the programs and stuff that I talk to you guys about, it's affiliate marketing. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you guys that I am affiliated with this program, right? And if you go through and you take this program, and again, I don't promote programs that I don't believe in. I only like to promote programs from some of the top people because there's a lot of shit programs online. Like that's all there is to it. But when it comes down to it, affiliate marketing and doing it with Clickbank, you guys, it is a fantastic way to make money. And if you're going to take any type of education around this topic, this is the guy that you want to do it through. So come on over to my bonus page, read through the whole thing, you know, check out the free training, make sure that you guys sign up for that. This is only going to be available for a 2-week period. I know that he typically only opens up access to this course for a couple of weeks, and then it is closed for the year. So I'm super excited, you guys, that they have reopened the doors to this, because those who have the opportunity to get involved with it and really take it serious, like really take it like a serious business, you guys are going to do really, really well. So that is it. Again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And all the links are in the description down below. And I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.